Recipe for a natural antibiotic that cures cough, digestive problems, infections, rheumatism and acne. If you like horseradish, surely you know the feeling that when you take a bite of freshly grated horseradish, the fiery heat brings tears to your eyes and drives out breath from the lungs. Germans like to say that horseradish ventilates the spirit, and we bring you ways to use it in the service of health. Believe it or not, horseradish contains twice as much vitamin C than lemons. Not only that, but it is also rich in vitamin B and various minerals such as potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus and silicon. Syrup of grated horseradish with honey, propolis and anise seed is recommended as one of the best natural syrups for the treatment of lung diseases. Horseradish stimulates the work of bile, liver, pancreas, intestines and stomach. It helps against diseases of the urinary system and kidney stones, alleviates the pain of rheumatism and arthritis, and purifies the skin. Recipe: in the freshly grated horseradish, add a little apple cider or wine vinegar and a little honey, and take 1 teaspoon several times a day. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon freshly grated horseradish, 1 teaspoon chopped onion, 5 tablespoons of water, 5 teaspoons of honey. Preparation: mix the horseradish with honey. Add the onion and water, and mix well. Briefly boil, and then cool it. Take 1 teaspoon several times a day. Wraps for rheumatism and arthritis. Place the freshly grated horseradish in a cotton cloth and put it on the sore spot so that the cloth is in contact with the skin. Remove the wrap when you feel burning, because horseradish can cause skin blisters and burns. Before and after putting the wrap, lightly lubricate the skin with olive oil. Horseradish vinegar for acne. Put 100 grams grated horseradish in a jar and pour 1 liter of fruit vinegar. Leave it to soak for 10 days. And then strain the liquid. This vinegar is used diluted with water to remove pimples and acne. The liquid can be applied to the acne with cotton wool. And after 10 minutes, rinse with lukewarm water.